See it? Yeah, there it is, a white one.
See the one with the green head? Yeah.
Look at that duck. Look at the colors on that duck that's walking.
Green head.
He's got a green head.
Hi, Emma.
Hi. Bubba, Bubba, I'm a duck.
I know it.
A baby duck.
Yeah,
Baby duck.
baby.
A little duck.
Oh, look at him run. Look at him run. Or duck walking. Duck walking.
There's a different color one down there.
Hey, Emma. Emma,
Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack.
do you see some of them swimming?
Look at them out in the water swimming. They're taking a swim.
There's a green head swimming.
There's a little baby one swimming right there, coming toward the grass.
Some of them are mean, aren't they?
Baby good. Come in, mommy good. Come in grass. Mommy good. Come in grass.
Uh-huh.
Hey, I see a lot of duck poop. I see lots of duck poop.
Shake your hips. Shake your hips. You gonna shake your hips?
There's some of them flying.
Yes, Mom.
Yeah, duck poop.
You ever see them fly? You ever see them fly around? A couple of them just flew out in the water.
Ducks don't fly very often.
Shake your body. Shake your body. Woo woo. Woo woo. Shake your body. Shake your body. Woo hoo. Woo hoo.
It's a good thing you got duck shoes on.
Some duck shoes on. Quack, quack.
Quack, quack. Quack, quack.
Woohoo! Quack quack.
Oh, the white one's way out.